Hello guys, welcome back to a new and fresh video with a good vibes. I thought to make a new and exciting video for you, that is what to eat, what not to eat, what we have to eat, what we have to keep in our daily routine, like a full day from morning to night. So I have a plan, and with a low budget, how we can afford, how we have to eat, what is the process and all. So any further delay, just let get started. So here we go.
Oh my god! Wow!
Well, my first step is when we woke up, like 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, whatever maybe. At that time, we have to wake up, we have to, first of all, we have to drink water, like 1 to 2 glass. It's very good for health. So without any further delay, first we wake up, then we have to drink water, then just let it be like we have to complete our what and all daily routine of early morning, like bathing. That one we have to complete next, and try to drink water 2 to 3 liter per day. It's like you will get good vibes. I'm trying to do that one right now. Like if you will drink actually 2 to 3 liter water, you can't get any problem. Like you won't get without water, you will face many more problems, as you know. So after that, what you have to do? Before night, you have to stock chana. Chana means gram and green, like that. So that one you have to eat. It will give so much energy. It's very good for health. So after that, after drinking water, you have to choose gram and green. That one you have to eat, and after some time, you have to do like jogging and all. I like jogging. I don't like exercise and all. I like jogging. So you can do workout, or you can do jogging. After that, after the part of jogging, what you have to eat? You have to eat oats with milk, and with that you can add banana and any other fruits. If do you have almond, you can add. So it's like in morning you will get a good meal, like whichever you will, it will give a good energetic meal for you. After that, what you will do? It's morning vibes all completed, like whatever you were eating, but don't eat puri and parota in morning. Don't eat that one. Avoid that puri and parota and some oily stuffs and all. That one try to avoid. Don't eat anything in morning. Then morning session over. So then we have to go like to like lunch time. Before going to lunch time, I'm telling you that if someone will feel hungry in that, you can eat fruits like apple, orange, or banana. You can eat. That's better for you. And in the lunch time, I'm telling you that prefer dal, rice, soya bean, egg, salad. So this type of stuffs are there, you can follow, but don't eat oily stuffs, that and don't eat like so much, like you can't breathe and all. Don't eat that much.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
You just eat how much, like how we are regularly eating. Like some persons, they're not eating not to be fit, they're eating like be fat. Don't do like that. No, we are here for be fit, not be fat. So I'm telling you all the process and all. So meals like it will give you some calories like fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins. So that and all a healthy meal for you. So next in evening I'm telling that evening you can eat same chana and that like some masala and all you can cook like chatpati something you can prepare and you can eat, otherwise you can eat fruits, otherwise one more thing I'm telling that brown bread, brown bread you can eat, that's so much healthy and it's good for health. Brown bread you eat with peanut butter, it's very good for health and it's very tasty also, yummy you can say. So and after that we have to go to dinner. Dinner means like same rice age you have eaten in lunch time rice. So I prefer I not to eat rice, I prefer roti. So with roti what and all, I love dal. So dal is my favorite. So with that what you have to do, rice or roti whatever maybe, that one you eat and dal, obviously salad, otherwise avoid salad, only curd you can use, white egg, avoid the yellow inside that egg, only prefer white. So that's my concern to you people. So I feel we can get a healthy life to be fit, not to be fat. So I hope it will be healthy for you, it will be uh, good for you, the information and I'm sharing with you. So thank you.